I'm at 499 Sawdust Trail. December 1st, it's around 12 o'clock. Tenant is moving out. I came and check out the property and make sure everything is good before they move out. I'm just gonna take a walk outside the house, then I go inside the house. So I'm gonna go to the right of the property, show the view of the house. That's the exterior. As you see, we got cold weather, so everything kind of died out. That's the front of the house. I'm just gonna walk to this side. That's the side of the house. Let me zoom it out. That's the fence from the right side. And that's the view of the house. Exterior looks good. I'm gonna zoom it out a little bit. So, and this is the left side of the house. We got a little bit green mold on the house. It needs to be pressure washed. This side of the house doesn't get enough sun, and also the back of it doesn't get enough sun. She just moved out. There are some trash on the side. It's going to be picked up on Tuesday night or Wednesday morning actually. And this is the right part of the house. So I'm going to go forward to the inside. This is as we walk into the house. This is the foyer floor. Looks good. The stairs. How the walls are. On this side, like a little mark here. Looks like something hit it. This is the living room. closet. This is just like it stain works. Walls looks good. There was like a few marks, but there was there before. Curtain is there. Fireplace looks good and it's clean. And I walk to the bedroom area. It's a hallway bath. There is no leaks on the bottom. All looks good. A little bit of stains on the wall here. Did you say you have some cleaning people in the house? They come and clean? Oh, okay. Yes. That's what your attorney said. He said you have some cleaning people in the house to clean. Oh, but I don't see like... So you cleaned yourself?
No one came out here to clean.
Oh, okay. That's what he said. He said you are getting some people to come and clean the house. So I was going to tell you they didn't clean the bathroom.
It's not clean.
And it's just like...
That mark has been there. I don't know what it is. It will
like
not
all
come
this.
off. This stuff, I could go get a rag right now and wipe. These baseboards are stained. That stuff will not come off.
Really? Okay.
And I've went through here and cleaned the baseboards in this house at least 3 times since I've been here, and it still won't come off.
This is the first bedroom to the left. Take the video of the floor. It looks good. Walls. Looks good. Inside closet looks good. So, linen closets on the left, coat closet on the right. Some scratches here. It wasn't there before, I don't believe so. So the floor looks good in the master bedroom. Walls looks good. That's the bed. Shower looks good. That's this stain, but there is no leak. There is no leak under here. That lamp looks like it's falling off. Maybe it is a loose end here. It's not a big deal. Can be tied enough from the back. That's the closet. Floor. Same as it was before. And that's the walls. Move to the kitchen area. The hallway floor looks good. Ice maker. Microwave. There's like a missing knot there. And the cabinets. Floor looks good. Mostly downstairs. All the walls, floor. And go to the closet here. Tile floor. Looks good. There's some like crayon marks. Maybe the kids just did that. Fan works. Turn it off. Ventilation. I guess there was problem with the fuses in this room before. So I wonder if still is an issue. Floor looks good all the times. All looks good. Closet. Hallway, actually downstairs. There's no leak. Oops. Let's check to see. The light downstairs, they don't work.
That's because of that short that I was talking about the last time you came here with the camera.
Yeah. That was only on one of the outlets, but the whole thing is not working.
It blew the whole outlet because
Oh, really?
it did it again because it weakens the breaker every time it pops.
Yeah.
And so.
Because I remember it was that one, but now the whole thing doesn't work.
No, when we plugged into something like that, it blew the breaker. That's what I was showing you when I did it. And that breaker goes to this bedroom and this bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it blew again, and this time it won't come back on.
Oh. Can you show me which one is it?
The breaker?
Mhm. So it just trips. Maybe there is still a shortage. You don't have anything on it, do you?
No. That's what I'm saying. It would do that by itself.
Yeah. Okay. Which number was that? I can't tell. I don't know. There's no number on it. Looks like that fly survived the cold. The flies flying around here, all the flies are dead, but this one survived the cold. See? Alright. Laundry room. Rolls. And then garage door. Garage door looks good. Both of them goes up and down. Oh, sorry. It just went to the camera. Just gonna walk outside. I just turned it on for a few minutes to see it comes on. So both of the systems.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. So both of them are working fine, right?
The heaters, yeah. The AC, I mean, it works. It just
And right now it's not gonna come on anyway.
Huh?
The AC is not gonna come on.
No.
Just turn the heater on upstairs and just start working. So both units are working fine. Just gonna walk outside for a minute, take a shot outside. The back of this house always kind of gets black mold. That tree is still touching the house. Needs to be cut. All those trees are just touching the fence, needs to be cut. And the outside pictures, and then that's it. Overall the house looks good. It's the same way I gave it to her, except there is just like a few scratches on the door and one small scratch on the wall next to the kitchen, and it just basically is not deep clean, but it's clean. Other than that, it's almost the same way we gave it to her. That's the wrap.